Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the trip in your Volvo XC60. First, locate the trip computer stalk on the left side of your steering column. This small stalk has a button on its end. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various trip computer displays until you see either Trip 1 or Trip 2 on your dashboard screen. This is the initial step to prepare for resetting your desired trip meter. Once you have selected the specific trip meter you wish to reset, whether it's Trip A or Trip B, the next step is straightforward. Simply press and hold the button on the end of the trip computer stalk. Keep holding it for approximately 2 seconds. You will then see the numbers on the display change to zeros, indicating that your selected trip meter has been successfully reset. Beyond just the trip distance, you can also reset your average fuel consumption. To do this, cycle through the trip computer displays until you find the screen showing your average fuel economy. Once it's displayed, press and hold the same stalk button for several seconds. The displayed average fuel consumption value will then reset, allowing you to start tracking your fuel efficiency anew. Remember, resetting your trip meters only clears the short-term distance and average readings. It does not impact your vehicle's total odometer reading. Also, depending on your specific Volvo XC60 model, you might find an option to reset trip data through the car's main infotainment menu as an alternative method. For an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. Be sure to check the description for a link to this fantastic product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.